To show you how to reset the injector parameters, sorry, not the injector parameters, the timing chain parameters after the timing chain replacement on a Mazda, particularly Model 6 in this instance, 2.2 diesel engine. So make sure everything is switched off. You turn the ignition on, make sure the engine has reached operating temperature. You start the car, allow the idle to stabilize. Okay, stabilised just now. You need to now breach the diagnostic socket with the earth. Okay, so we've got the diagnostic socket breached with the earth. We go back into the car, shut the door, and we press the brake pedal and the clutch pedal 5 times within 5 seconds at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The glow plug light will illuminate, and we're gonna wait for it to go off. It will flash 5 times when the procedure is complete, and it's gonna go off. Okay, that has disappeared. Now we can turn the engine off, turn it back on, and start the engine. No check engine light, no other lights. The car is good to go. Thanks guys.